Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a few little things for insiders that are on either the release preview or the dev channel. So it's Wednesday, we got the dev channel build that has been released. Build 25182 is now out, and even if because there's really not much to talk about, even if there is not much to talk about, there is one thing that is important, and they're mentioning it in the blog post. If you're on an older build, maybe it's time to update, because 25182 pushes the expiration date of the Windows Insider build to September 15th, 2023. So you get a year. If you don't, you'll soon get notices of expiration date is approaching. So move on to 25182 if you want to update at least for the expiration date. For the rest, a boring build with pretty much nothing. Rolling out camera app for native ARM support and some updates for the Microsoft Store. Really nothing interesting. They're pushing these builds for nothing, and that's my opinion on it. Windows Insider program has become to get very boring and really needs to change if they want to keep insiders. I'm sure they're losing insiders because it's just too boring. For the rest, so we talk about the C-band updates, which are the bug fixing updates that we get every month. We get two types of updates in Windows every month. We get the Patch Tuesday updates that we got last week, and of course there's the bug fixing updates that arrive later in the week and the month for everyone. So we know that they're going to arrive probably next week for both Windows 10 and Windows 11, because Windows 11 has released yesterday the release preview build 22,000.917. So that's to release preview channel. So this is the bug fixing update being tested now for insiders. And of course, the day before there was the release of the build, the same bug fixing updates for the Windows 10 build 1904.4.1947. So these are of course being tested. That means that Windows 10 and Windows 11 will probably get the updates at the same time or close to the same time next week for bug fixing. I have a lot of you asking me when this will arrive. I expect both of them to be next week. Usually it rarely happens that it's in the same week that they are released, but you never know. It could be Friday if things look good, but I think that it's going to be next week personally. So both Windows 10 and Windows 11 are going to get their end of the month bug fixes as usual. So if you're having problems or something, hang in there. Probably or possibly next week it's going to be fixed. So check it out. If you're in the dev channel, of course, check it out. Build 25182 is being, I'm downloading it right now. It's going to be installed, and I'll try to talk about it a little later today, even if there's really nothing much to talk about in the builds. We're still going to kind of go through it a little bit and see how well it installed, how fast it installed, and how things went with the build. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.